we interrupt the regularly scheduled program to bring you this breaking weather report. Hi, I'm Cole from Fun Cloud Channel 12 News in Norfolk. Currently, the Hurricane James is tearing through the East Coast. The storm is heading straight for us. It is currently a Category 5 hurricane. Now, we will go to Cole, who is on the scene.
Okay. Thank you, Cole. I'm on the scene. As you can see, right before Hurricane James, there is a heavy storm, a lot of rain. Currently, Hurricane James is North Pole, which is where we are. What you're going to have to do is evacuate. Get out, because it will be a heavy hitter. Stock up on supplies, food, water, whatever you need, and get out. So, good luck to all of y'all. Oh, wait. Oh. How would you recommend preparing?
I went to the grocery store and I got several cases of bottled water, some canned food, plenty of batteries, and some flashlights. I'm going to stock up and get out of town.
Okay, good luck to you.
All right.
Stay safe.
I will.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Bye. Okay, thank you. Now let's get back under because it's getting pretty bad. So stay safe to all of y'all. This has been Cole on the scene of Funnel Cloud Channel 12 News, Norfolk. Thank you.
This is Funnel Cloud Channel 12 News with our meteorologist.
Hello, my name is Will, and I am the Funnel Cloud Channel 12 meteorologist. Today, we'll be talking about Hurricane James. It starts in the Gulf of Mexico, goes up through Cuba, cuts through Florida, goes back down into the Atlantic, and then up the East Coast.
What about the wind speeds?
It starts at 74 miles. It starts at a Category 1, 74 miles per hour. And currently, right now, it is a Category 5 at 160 miles per hour. We are expecting it to drop back down to a Category 1 at 90 miles per hour.
Okay, thank you. That's all for Funnel Cloud Channel 12 News. Out.
200 years of war.